This session, I would like to focus on the job designer, especially on triggers. Please see the video just on the job designer itself. I'm going to focus on what the triggers are and what they are meant to do. So, the triggers, we can do the following actions. So, we can activate or deactivate a step or a step item. We can also reassign a job or a job step to a reseller or channel partner to actually fulfill that actual step. So what that does is, if you've got a channel partner and they've got access to your portal and they need to upload documents or answer some questions in your workflow, then you can use the triggers to reassign that to them. Let's first look at the activate or deactivate step. So I'm going to use this flow called new customer, and you'll see here that we've got the following, right? So we need to confirm the order, and then we need to select who the provider is. And then if you look at the providers, currently we've got two providers here, a Vumatel order and a Frogfoot order. Now you would see you'll see that they are not available. They are in a deactivated state. So if I go to the triggers, I want to activate them based on my decision or based on my provider selection. So if I look at the selection in the items, I need to select Vumatel, Frogfoot or OpenServe. Now, if I quickly go to the triggers and I will edit this trigger here, you will see that I'm going to activate the Vumatel order step when the value of my confirm order step of the drop-down select provider equals Vumatel. So basically what that will do is once I get to the step confirming the order and the item selecting the provider, I've got those drop-down options that says I need to say if it's Vumatel or Frogfoot or OpenServe or MFN or whoever. Then the value is Vumatel. Now this is a free text, so you can make that drop down anything and you can make the value anything. So you can activate or deactivate a step or a step item based on that value. So you can see there, the trigger action is activating the step, and what step am I activating? So I can activate a step, I can deactivate a step, I can activate a step item or deactivate a step item. I can execute an action or I can reassign. So let's look at a reassign quickly. Let's say I need to reassign one of these steps to someone. Let's say the schedule install I need to reassign to a person. I need to reassign it to someone internally that needs to schedule the installation. So what I will do is once I get, so the trigger would be reassign. I'm going to reassign the lead, the whole lead itself, the job, or only the job step. Let's do the whole job so that this person can have a full view of the job. So I'm reassigning this job and I'm reassigning it to a user group, external, or a lead reseller. So I'm just going to reassign it to a user. Let's say I'm going to reassign it to myself. Reassigning it to myself. When am I reassigning this job to myself? I'm reassigning it when the step of schedule installation is activated. The very first item in that step is activated. So what that now did is, you can see that it's reassigning the job to user myself, and it's going to reassign it when the schedule installation step is activated. Right, so activating and deactivating a step we went through, and yeah, you can see how we actually set up the triggers and how they work. We will later in another video, we'll also look at the mapping and how the mapping works for document management in Agility GIS. Thank you for watching.